operations? What kind of specific jobs does Avigate, do contractors do when they come into a scenario? Like maybe it's a nightmare scenario. The guy that left, like totally just like left like a rock star leaving a hotel room and just like everything was a mess. Maybe it was a bad breakup.
Yeah.
Does that scenario happen or
all too often?
Okay. Wow.
We're here to help, right? At the end of the day, we're here to listen to you. We do run into that a lot of times. Sometimes it's even when a Salesforce partner or an agency like Avigate ourselves, someone else or another agency has gone in and kind of just rough stuff up, right? They went in and did things the way, they normally do things, but that may not be the right way to do it for the company itself. So then, yes, we have come in those scenarios to kind of clean things up. The goal for us is basically to go in, listen, hey, how did things go wrong? Where did they go wrong? But then eventually get it to the point where that email team is self-sustaining, right?
Gotcha.
It is like a little bit of a hand holding process, right? For those initial steps and that initial cleanup. But ultimately, we want, their admin, their email specialists, if they need to hire someone full time, we want them to be able to take it over. So we'll get them to that point and then kind of go to the background. If you need us, hey, we're here, but we don't necessarily want to be your day-to-day, admin type task.
So I'm kind of starting to see this picture emerge of companies in crisis. They don't know what they don't know because the guy with the brains left or whatever happened. You come in, kind of set everything up, set the structures in place, organize everything, and then hand it off to them on a silver platter and say, here you go. Let us know if you need anything.